Hello dolls and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if this is your first time seeing this fine face, this fine girl, you are very welcome. Thank you for coming back to my returning service. I definitely appreciate. Alright guys, so I was getting glammed. Okay, I'm actually shooting a different video, doing my makeup and everything, and then I remember that I have to shoot this video for my Glamnetic magnetic lashes. Guys, I got this package from Glamnetic. They sent me 2 of their magnetic lashes and also the magnetic eyeliner glue. Eyeliner is not a glue, it's like a magnetic eyeliner they sent me, and I've been wanting to review it. I used it already one time and I love it so much, and I was like, I need to do a video reviewing this and telling you guys how great this is. Like, these are like the best thing ever, literally guys. I love it so much. All right guys, so yes, let's go ahead and review this. Let me go ahead and open it and show you guys what is inside. Okay, and this is the bag it came with, guys. So basically they sent me 2 of their lashes, and I have the Virgo and the VIP lashes. Those are the 2 that they sent me, and this is how the VIP looks like. This is how the Virgo lashes look like. So nice. And they also send me their magnetic eyeliner. It's called liquid magnetic eyeliner from Glamnetic. So they sent me that also. Like you can see, I already went ahead to do my makeup. A girl is looking fine right now. I'm loving this look. Oh, and it goes with my hair. Yes guys, so yeah, let's go ahead and apply these lashes, guys. So I already put in some. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I think that will be the easiest way to do this. So I already went ahead to use my elf what is it called, my elf mascara to put on my lashes, and this is how my real lashes is looking right now, guys. These are my real lashes. So let's go ahead and get into applying the magnetic lashes. This is how it looks like, guys. This is the one I'm going to be using. Hope you guys can see it. And this pack also comes with a magnet right there, where you just when you're done with your lashes, all you have to do is just hold it and you just put it in there, voila, and it's good to be saved, and you can use it over and over and over and over and over again, guys. You can use these lashes as much as you want to. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and apply this on your lash line, guys. I think that's good. And I used my elf liner already, so let's go ahead and do this. And all you do is you take your lashes and then you just put it right there, and that is literally it, guys. That's it, guys. That's literally it. Look at how easy that was to put on. So easy, so nice. I love it, love it, I love it, I love it. That's it. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. So go ahead and apply the glue. After applying the glue, do the same thing. Take the lashes, then you just magnetically put it on. Let's do that on this eye also. You guys saw how easy it was to apply my magnetic lashes from Glamnetic, guys. It is so easy. I love it. They have different styles that you can get. It's everything. I just love these lashes so much. Like, so easy. This is like, you guys don't even understand. Just go get yourself some magnetic lashes from Glamnetic and thank me later, okay? Yes, guys, so I definitely love this. I just wanted to, come here and tell you guys about the lashes and let you guys know this lashes is great. I'm just putting you all on, okay? And if you find it difficult to actually apply lashes, this is the lashes for you. It's so easy to apply. So go get yourself some magnetic lashes from Glamnetic. So yes, guys, that's basically it. I do have a 15% off discount code. I'm going to be leaving that on the screen and also on the description box, and also I am going to leave their link there. So if you want to go get yourself some, I mean, why not? You might as well go get yourself some. I mean, so yeah, so you can be looking good, you know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, guys, so yeah, that's basically the end of this video. I just wanted to come here and show you guys my lashes, and I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you think about this. If you like it, if you're gonna go order you some, better comment and let me know, okay? And use my discount code. All right, guys, so yes, guys, like always, stay beautiful and stay safe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, and see you guys on my next video. See you guys later. See you guys whenever I see you guys. I am just feeling myself with my fine hair and my Glamnetic lashes. Anyways, guys. Anyways, guys, yes, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.